Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is HAZIQ and now I will explain and demonstrate for Lab 3 COA Program 2. So firstly, take a look at the variable that we declare. So we have input message, from input event until total odd. So from line 8 to line 12, this is where the string that we declare. And for 13 until 15, this is where we will store the value. And then let's take a look at the code. So for line 19, this is we use the library clear screen. This is where we clear all of the things on our screen. And then here for line 20 and 21 here, this is where we want to display our message or our string. So we offset this address of input message here to our register edx, and then we use the library write string to display our string, this one, calculate some unsigned integer index auto even in array hello index 6. And this library here for line 22, this is carriage return or line fit to move to the next line. Next, moving on to line 24. So for line 24 until 33, this is where we ask user to enter the data or the integer. So for line 25, this is looping. We loop 6 times and we use this register ECX for looping. And then ESI, we initialize the value to 0. This is to like on our program, it's like for loop, the I equals to 0. And then we take a look at this input loop. So for line 28 and 29, this is where we display the string here, integer input. After that, we will read here. For line 30, we use library read integer to read the value for unsigned 32-bit decimal, and then it will read after we press enter. And then here it will store on our register EX. And then for line 31, we will move this value to our array, hello array ESI. Just now our ESI is 0, so this will be for our first array, hello array index 0. And then we will update our ESI value. We add with 4, so we will get 4, add 12, and goes on. And we will loop back this instruction 6 times until it complete 6 times. And then here, this is to sum up our event index. So for event index, we will use array index 0, 8, and 16. So the loop will be 3 times. The SI we initialize back to 0 because we start with index 0, and our EX we set the value to 0. And then here for even loop, so we will move the value for hello array index 0 to our register EX. And then for next line, we increase our ESI, we add with add, and then we loop back 3 times. And then after we already loop 3 times, the value for our register now EX then will be stored on our variable total event. And same goes with odd, but odd same just above, we loop 3 times, but for this we start with ESI 4 because we want to start index 4, and then we'll move up to 12 and 20. So it's same like the event. After 3 time loops, the value for EX register will be stored on our total odd. And lastly, we want to display the result. This is carriage return line fit. Same, we want to move to the next line, and then here we display our string output. The output is result sum hello, and then this is same, we also display the string here, so it will display the sum hello event index location equals to, and then we will write the value. So for value we use this library, right, decimal, so it will display the value for our register in decimal, and then we carriage return, move to the next line. And same with our input value, we will first display the string, and then we will write the output. So we use the same library, write decimal, and then we move to the next line and then exit. Okay, let me demonstrate to you. So let me just compile this. I build it and then I start debugging. So it will display this line first, the string calculate sum unsigned integer index auto even in array hello index 6. So let me just put a random number. Let me just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 time loops, and then it will display here. So our sum of event index is 9, which is 1 plus 3 plus 5, and our odd is 12, 2 plus 4 plus 6. So this is the result that we get from program 2 lab 3 COA, and I think that's it for program 2. Thank you.